Okay, students, this is a topic, articles and their uses, and it is in unit number 4 on page 31. And this topic is very important for your correct English, not only for writing but also for speaking as well. So mastering article is difficult, and at the same time it is very important. You have to pay attention to this topic, and you have to discover and search all the uses of these articles and their correct usage and sentences by yourself as well, and listening to this lecture as well. So here is the definition. A, an and the are called articles. These are three articles in English: a, an and the. What they do? They determine, they control the meaning of the noun. They either make the noun definite or indefinite, specific or unspecific, known or unknown. So this is the function of the article. They make the noun either definite, mean known, or indefinite, mean unknown. We are having two types of articles. One is indefinite article and the other is definite article. A and an are called the indefinite articles. They define their noun as something unspecific. These two articles are used with indefinite noun, which is unknown. Suppose you say, this is a line. So the line is unknown to the reader or to the audience, the listener. This is an apple. Why you use this indefinite article? Because the apple is unknown to either the listener or to the reader. You have to use the when it is known to the reader. Okay, we have a in this sentence and an in this sentence. These two are articles. So why some word take a and while some word take an? The function of these two is the same, but why with some of the word we use a and with some of the word we use an? So it depends on this sound. If there is a consonant sound, you have to put a. If there is a vowel sound, you have to put an. Some people say that consonant letter and vowel letter, but that is wrong and misleading, because we are having many words in English where words start with a consonant letter, but with that we do not put an. Like take the example of university. You do not say an university, you say a university. Though U is a vowel letter, but it sounds like a consonant. That is why you have to put a here. Similarly, you might have heard this: he is an MA, Master of Arts. So M is a consonant letter, but its sound is that of the vowel. That is why it takes an N. Now we are having definite articles. The is called the definite article. It defines its noun as specific, mean known, or unspecific, or definite. Like you say, this is the lake. It means that the lake is known to the reader or to the listener. Another example for this is the apple. So the apple is known to either the listener or to the reader. Suppose there are 10 apples lying on the table, and I tell you that give me the apple. So I use the because I know that you know that this particular apple belongs to this particular person. So you go and fetch and pick that particular apple and give it to me. That is why we are using the definite article, which makes the noun known to the reader. Okay, I pronounce it the here, while in some places the. It depends on the coming sound. If this article is followed by a consonant sound, you have to say the, and if it is followed by a vowel sound, you have to say the. You might have heard the newscaster says this is the end of the news. So the end because a sound and news because no sound. This is the end of the news. So learn about this pronunciation as well. Okay, I have written a few uses of the definite article. Though there are many uses of articles, I have given you an assignment here. You have to search and write all the uses of the definite and indefinite articles, and you have to send it to me. Here, because the video lecture is very short, so I have just mentioned 5 uses of the definite article the. So we use the with something which is already mentioned. You always write in the story, once upon a time there was a lion, full stop, and then you say the lion was very angry. So as you mention in the first sentence lion for the first time, so you say once upon a time there was a lion. So you use an indefinite article. But once you introduce the lion to the reader, then you say the lion was very angry. Then you use the definite article because now the noun is definite, specific. It is known to the reader. Okay, second use is when referring to something particular. The boy in blue jacket is my brother. So I am talking about the specific boy. That is why I am using the. The third use is with things which are unique. You say the sun rises in the east, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, because all these things are unique. With superlative degrees of adjective, the tallest building. This is the tallest building in the city, the smartest boy in the class. Similarly, the wisest, etc., etc. And when a noun refers to a whole class, when you say we should help the poor. So here, this poor refers to the class of the poor people. You can also say the rich must help the poor. So the rich representing the rich class, the poor representing the poor class. So this was a brief lecture on the uses of article, though this lecture do not cover all the uses of article. So therefore I have given you an assignment to search and write all the uses of article and send it to me. Thank you very much.